Visualize your ideal life. Take a deep breath, and close your eyes. Now, visualize your ideal life. What does it look like? Where are you? Who are you with? How does your success feel? Try to capture every detail, colors, sounds, the emotions. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifestation, because it tricks your subconscious mind into believing your goal is already real. Hold this vision close throughout your day. Keep coming back to it, and watch as your reality begins to reflect the life you've imagined. Thank you for engaging with this content. Your journey is shaped by the choices you make today. Whether you seek guidance, motivation, or practical steps, stay inspired, informed, and take action. Subscribe to Inspire Your Life for more insights and share your thoughts and experiences. Together, we can inspire positive change. See you next time.